Danny, you're really doing that the hard way.
Okay, what do you have now?
Well, what I have here is an old TV tray stand.
What happened to the top?
Well, it broke. But what I did is I put these strings on here to help create the frame again that's missing. And you know, another way you can do it is a lot of people have those old aluminum stands.
Right.
And you can really dig those or plant them into the ground. Makes it really stable.
Okay, so you're doing a little recycling, I can see.
Exactly, always a good idea. So what I've done is just take the bag and put it over this stand.
Okay, just creates a whole frame for it.
Exactly.
Okay,
So let's go to it.
Okay. I can use both hands now instead of just the one on my method.
Both hands, and so it's twice as fast. And what even saves a whole lot more time is if you take a rake or those rake claws, you really save a lot of time.
I can see, and then I guess you're able to move this around the yard fairly easy because they're never very heavy.
Exactly, you can move the whole thing. And then when you're done, you just take the bag and take it off to your compost pile or however you're going to dispose of it. You can fold up the tray and store it in your tool shed.
Well, that's a great idea. I hope you'll stay around and kind of help me finish up here.
Of course.